All right, good people. You keep working. I am going to go over the agenda while you're working on the warm-up still. All right, so today is Tuesday, December the 2nd. We're finishing up the warm-up. Okay, after which you have a partner assignment that you're going to do. And then I'm going to model angle measurement. And we're going to work more on the study guide. Okay, we're going to have parts of the study guide for homework. We're going to have parts of the study guide for homework. Okay? Do not forget that we're rounding to the nearest millions place. So we underline the millions place and we round there. Right here. No, ma'am. Yeah. Also, is there a water bottle that was there yesterday? Nothing. Okay. Just fuck it. All right. Sorry about that, y'all. Okay. So we're writing less than, greater than, order of operations, adding, subtracting, and then solving the small word problem. Okay? All right. Let's put this away. There is a sheet that I gave you that looks like this. Please put this sheet in front of you. Okay, you also need your calculator. Please put your calculator in this sheet in front of you. We'll pause for the calls to give you a second to write your name. No, just that sheet. Today is December the 2nd, so we got 12/2/20. Oh, happy early birthday. I'm a December baby too. All right, so now, you are very special.
What's your birthday?
What's she trying to say?
I am.
My mom said I'm very special.
I am. You are. We all are.
Yeah, you're really
All right, I'm going to give you exactly 10 seconds to move beside someone you want to work with. If it's not productive, you go back to your seat. You got 10. 10, 9,
got my spot.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
1.
Very good. Now I'm going to set the timer for about 5 minutes, and I want you to work on 1 and 2 together. Please make sure. Note that there is a problem with the way they solved it. Please do this out to the side. You solve it out to the side first so that you can see the problem that they messed up, the part they messed up, and then explain what they did. Okay? You got 5 minutes. You're doing 1 and 2. Okay, good people, look. What is the relationship? Shh, come on, table 2. Come on. All right. Shh. Stop mocking me, please. You are. That is called mocking. Shh. All right. These two angles have what kind of relationship? They are what? No, parallel refers to lines. Lines can be parallel. Angles can't be parallel. Okay, what's the relationship between these two angles? Yes, baby. They are, but what's the relationship? They are congruent. What's the relationship between the two? No, not complementary. Complementary means they both add up to 90 degrees. They are not complementary. They're vertical. These angles are vertical. Vertical angles are congruent. They're not supplementary. That's where this is wrong. The mistake here is that they added them together to equal to 180. No, they are equal. These angles are not supplementary. They are vertical. They are vertical. That means they're congruent. So you're going to say 5x is equal to 100. So that means when you're solving for x, you're going to get rid of the 5 first. The operation is automatically between the coefficient and the variable is multiplication. The opposite of multiplication, very good, Lennox, is division. So x here is equal to 20. Number 2. Number 2, this is also wrong. Okay? This is also wrong. What is the value of x here? Yes. Uh-huh. Yep. Okay.
It says they're all wrong.
They're all wrong. They're all wrong. You're right, baby. Okay, did anybody get an answer for x? Yes.
17.
The answer is 17. The answer there is 17. All right, what's the relationship between oh, I forgot to write the answer here. 20. What's the relationship between these two angles? They are complementary. Guys in the back, y'all need to be focused better or y'all can go back to your seat. Complementary. That means they add up to what degrees?
480.
No.
Oh.
90. That's where this is wrong. They add up to 90, not 180. Shh. Okay? So instead of making it equal to 180, you make it equal to 90. So it's going to be 3x plus 39 equals 90. Oops, sorry y'all. So now to solve for x, we got to get rid of the terms that are not directly attached to the variable that you're solving. So we're getting rid of 39, a positive 39 first.
Subtract.
Very good, babe. You're going to subtract 39 from both sides of the equal sign. 39 minus 39 is 0, and we're left with the 3x on this side. Then we have 90. Please use your calculator.
51.
90. Give people a chance, babe, okay? Minus 39. Now you can say, what is it? 51. The operation between the coefficient and the variable is automatically what?
Division.
Nope.
Oh.
It's automatically multiplication.
He's asking the inverse.
What is the inverse of multiplication?
Division.
So we're going to divide by 3 to get rid of the 3 that's attached by multiplication. 3 divided by 3 gives you 1x or just the x. Type it in. Give people a chance. And this is where you get what again?
17.
Thank you. X here is equal to 17. All right, now you're doing 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to give us 7 minutes. Supplementary. Oh. Okay, what did we get? What is the what is the relationship between these two angles right here? They are supplementary. So this person did get that part right, because they took the two angles and added it together and set it equal to 180. So they said 6x plus the 2x plus 8, and they made it equal to 180. So they got that part right. Okay? Now, the first thing you do is look for a distributive property. Is there a distributive property in this problem?
Yes.
Where do you see distributive property?
Oh. No, I saw it. I didn't mean to say.
Okay, no distributive property. All right, so now we want to combine terms that are alike.
That's what I thought you said.
That's okay. What terms are alike here, babe?
6x and 2x.
Good job, sweetie. So we're going to add those together, okay? When we add 6x plus 2x, what do we get?
8x.
8x. So we got 8x plus 8 is equal to 180. Is that what they got?
No.
What did they put?
They put 16x equals
Is that right?
80. No.
No. What did they do instead?
They added up to 16.
Yeah, but they added all these together, didn't they?
Yeah, that's right.
No, that's what you meant.
Yeah.
Yeah, you cannot add terms that are not alike. Okay? They combine everything. Instead of like terms. You can only combine like terms. All right, so now, what do we do to get x by itself? Go ahead, babe.
You subtracted 8 into 180.
Very good, sweetheart. We're going to subtract 8 on both sides. Okay. Amaya, you ready? You ready? Okay. So this is gone, right? And you're left with 8x on this side. When you subtract, what do you get?
172.
172. Now what are we going to do to get x by itself?
You divide 8 into 172.
You divide 8 on both sides. Okay? So now we got 172 divided by 8. And somebody said it. What is it? 21.5.
Oh, yeah. That's 22.
Raise your hand if you're still writing. All right, now let's look at number 4. Okay, it says an angle measure of 47. What is the measure of the supplement? They're talking about what is the other angle that makes it supplementary angles. Do you subtract 47 from 90? Is that right?
No.
No, that means it's complementary, not supplementary. Okay, so here they're asking for supplementary. So what should you subtract?
180.
180. You should be saying 180 minus 47. Okay, so the mistake is they subtracted 90 instead of 180 for supplementary angles. That's the problem. All right, so let's type that in. We got 180 minus, what's that, 47? 47. Say again, baby. 133, good job. So 133 degrees.
That was the most simple.
Yeah, I think so too. All right, let's look at number 5. Anybody still writing 4? Okay, let me hold a second, okay? All right. What's the relationship between these two angles right here?
They're supplementary.
They are supplementary. Yeah, you did say that one. It's okay. That's how I spelt it just now, the way he said it. All right. So we got supplementary angles. That means they add up to 180. This is saying that they're equal. They're not equal. They set them equal to each other. No. They're not equal. They're supplementary. Angles are not equal or congruent. They are supplementary. Shh. All right, so we're going to set them both equal to 180. So we got 115. Shh, what's wrong? Okay. Plus 5x minus 10 and make it equal to 180 degrees, okay? So first thing that we look for is distributive property. There is no distributive property in this problem. The second thing we do is combine like terms on each side. What terms can we combine on this side of the equal sign?
115 minus 10.
115 minus 10. Okay. What is 115 minus 10?
105.
105. We combine those. We bring everything else down. The plus 5x, the equal 180. Okay? Now we're trying to get x by itself, okay? What do we get rid of first to get x by itself? Go ahead, baby. We're going to subtract 105 on both sides. This is gone, and we're left with 5x is equal to, type it in, take your time, do not yell out or blurt out. I want everybody to get a chance to answer. Please write your answer here. All right, Jesus, what did you get there? What's 180 minus 105? What'd you say, baby? 75. Good job. Good job, sweetheart. All right, so now, Alyssa, what do you do to get x by itself, babe? Oh. All right. Oh. What do you want? How'd you leave your stuff? Exactly. Shh. It almost makes me feel like you did it on purpose. Yeah, right. Not them. That ain't it. Shh, no, he's not. But his classes, they not. No, he's good. Yeah.
That's a lie. That's a lie.
75. I don't know why y'all hating on him. Close the door, babe. What is that? I didn't hear what he said. What is that? I don't either. I ain't hear him. All right, 15. All right, good deal. Make sure. Shh, told you to stop mocking me. All right. Okay. All right, take out your study guide, please. I'm going to collect these. This is for grade, but I need for you to take out your study guide. All right, so what did you do? Shh. Y'all are talking too much. Put your phone in your book bag.
Wow.
All right. It says two angles are complementary if they add up to what degrees? 90. That's okay. It says when two angles intersect to form right angles, form angles, are created to having a point at the intersection of, it's a vertex, okay? This part is a vertex. This right here is the vertex right here. The angles that are diagonal from each other are considered to be vertical angles. They are also congruent. These angles are also congruent. That means A, whatever A is, so is B. If A is 45, B is also 45. It says two angles are supplementary angles if they add up to 180 degrees. Okay? They do not have to be next to each other. Adjacent supplementary. Adjacent means side by side. Supplementary means they add up to 180 degrees. Good, babe. It says are called linear pairs because they form a straight line. So we got the symbols for these are not right. They look like less than signs. They need to be more of the angle symbol. This is the angle symbol. Okay. All right, so it says the measurement of angle 1 plus the measurement of angle 2. 1 plus 2, these add up. They form a straight line. They add up to 180 degrees. Then we have 1 plus 3. This is 1. This is 3. They also add up to. They form a straight line. They add to 180 degrees as well. Adjacent angles are just angles that are side by side. They don't overlap. They're side by side. They share the same ray. This is a ray right here. Or a wall. Like my room is adjacent to Mr. Flores' room because we share that same wall. Shh. Hush, babe. All right. What is the relationship between A and B in this picture, Ari? Shh. What's the relationship between A and B in that picture?
Right here?
Yes. Shh. They're vertical. Good job, baby. Vertical angles are also congruent. You got it? Okay. A and B here, Josiah.
Supplementary.
They are supplementary. They're also what?
They're also wait, what?
What else besides supplementary are they?
They adjacent.
Adjacent. They're also side by side.
Want me to put that one?
Mm-hmm. C. What is C? Tequila? A and B, what's the relationship here? You see there's a little box in the corner. That means they add up to what degrees? They add up to 90. So that makes them what? Very good. They are complementary and they're side by side. So they're complementary and they're what?
Adjacent.
Adjacent.
Miss?
Yes, baby.
Never mind. You just told me to put it both down.
Yeah, put them both down. Okay, D, Zion, what is the relationship between A and B in this diagram? They share the same vertex. They're diagonal from each other. Shh. What's the relationship between A and B in this picture, this diagram? Lennox? They are vertical. They're diagonal from each other, okay, Zion? If they share that same, I don't know what I was spelling, sorry. Who knows? Who knows? If they share the same vertex and they're diagonal from each other, they're vertical. They're also congruent. E, that's okay. E, Ernesto. What's the relationship between A and B? Huh? This side is 90, so that means, and this forms a straight line. So 180, what's 180 minus 90? 90. So these two combined have to be 90 then. If two angles add up to be 90 degrees, then what does that make them? Complementary. Yes, I'm supposed to ask him. Okay, what else are there, Ernesto, besides being complementary? They are complementary in what? They're side by side. What does that mean? They are adjacent. Adjacent means they're side by side. Okay? Noah, what is the relationship between A and B in this one? They are adjacent. They're not complementary nor supplementary because they don't add up to 90 and they do not add up to 180. They are just side by side. That makes them adjacent only. Next page, I need for you to do this for homework. You need to do this side, both these sides for homework. We're doing little by little because we didn't get as far as I wanted us to get today. I'm just adding it to your homework. So the next page, you need to do that for homework. All right, the basket needs to be in the center of the table. Put the calculators back